Hi, today I will show you how to take a screenshot. To begin, go to the place you want a screenshot of. Once there, press Windows key plus the screenshot key. You will now see a small flash. This means you have successfully taken a screenshot. Now open File Explorer. Go to Pictures. Then open the folder called Screenshots. The last picture at the bottom will be the latest one. I hope this video was able to help you. If you have further questions about this topic or another, please don't hesitate to comment them below.